Hello guys, welcome back to Appendices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial named called Windows Privilege Escalation Insecure of GUI Application. In this series, a privilege escalation, till now we have learned that Microsoft Windows offer a wide range of file grain permissions and privilege for a controlling access to Windows components, including like services, files, and registry entries. So, today we would like to walk through the applications we are going to exploit a privilege. Many GUI applications need to higher privilege other than the current user to have to access some of their particular services. Secondly, just due to a misconfiguration of the application, let's into on it. Like, what are the main uh, contents we would like to look here? So the main contents we would like to look here as a GUI setup application. So any type of GUI applications, either like Notepad, otherwise Firefox, or anything else, you just need to take it out. Like, so for a lab setup ping, for lab setup ping, you would like to require a minimum like Windows 10 or Windows 11, otherwise Windows, choice your wish, Windows 19 or something else. Okay. Now, we would like to try to open the command prompt. In this command prompt, now just try here as a who am I with the privilege, where you can look like here privilege name, SC insecure quiet privilege, adjust memory quota from the process status is disabled, where I have got only 2 is enabled. What is this? SC impersonate a privilege, SC create a global privilege. It's 2 only is enabled. So we have understand if any users have admin access, even through that admin can access through the user does not have to full a higher privilege. Now let's I would like to try here a user. Let me I would like to put here as user as a demo. Then I would like to put here as a privilege. So user is not recognized as an internal or external command. So we need to get as anything like I would like to put here as a admin. Admin is not recognized. Okay. I would like to utilize here administrator. No, it's not come here. I would like to go here as CMD. I would like to run through as an administrator. There. What is this? So we would like to run here from beginning. Let's come back and run this. Then let's we just put here as a user. Oh, sorry. I would like to utilize here a net user, a demo privilege. You can look here. The option privilege is unknown. The syntax of the command is like we need to put like the username or password. So more help is available by trying as a net. Uh, I would like to try here as in this case as I would like to put here as add the command completed successfully. So I have successfully added here and it not shows any type of vulnerabilities for me. Like it's already is vulnerable. I would like to look here as one more thing. Let's we would like to look in this case. Net so we already utilized this one, so we don't require. Now we would like to check our administrator user is privileged by adding a new user demo. Okay. Unfortunately it may not given for me as an access denied. Okay. Now I have already installed a notepad here. Now we would like to try here as a notepad. There you can click on the properties. There once you click on the properties, now once you go for a shortcut, Then you can click on here as an advanced. Now here have a run an administrator, then click on OK. Now let's just click on OK here. Now let's now we are going to abusing this notepad. Let me I just try to close this. So you just try here as a file. Let me I would like to try to open. Uh, Now, let me. I would like to put here as a CMD. In this CMD place, what? You just need to try here as a whoever. Then you just type here as a privilege. Where? Now, in this case, you can see here, uh, we can see here everything. It's like see change and notify for privilege bypass for traverse checking is enabled. And now it's before R21 this 2 is enabled. That's it. Now you want to try to add here automatically like let me you can add here as a user demo. Let's just I would like to utilize here net user a demo. I would like to add the account is already exists. You can look here, more help is available. It will automatically done. So this exploit is older, like in 2017, but we are doing testing on 2025. That's why it's quite easy way to execute it. In some type of systems, it automatically exploit with the GUI. So so finally, the demo user is successfully done. So before only it was done. Doing that. Even you can try here as uh, you can look here. You can put here as Alex. So you can look here. The command is completed unsuccessfully. Now you can find here in this change. In this case, that's it. Everything. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.